Hi, my name's John. I joined in February 2023 to come and start the Northwest desk. As I mentioned, I was brought in to start the Northwest desk last year, and what I do there is focus on maintenance engineers, either mechanical, electrical or multi-skilled, in plenty of different markets: automation, FMCG, automotive, chemical industry, food industry. We cover everything. But the reason we work regionally is that you understand your area more and you understand your candidates more. And an example, somebody in Bolton isn't going to go work in Leicester, so at least I understand where they can cover in that area and I fully understand the area, so I think it makes much more sense to look over. So what I say to my potential clients is we work through the way which is the ATA way, which is a little bit different to a lot of recruitment companies out there. And the way that is that we say what we say we're going to do, we will do. And that means we do fully interview candidates before we send them over. We don't just speculatively send them and then find out if they're interested afterwards, because that's wasting the client's time. We also work collaboratively with the client, so rather than just working off the job spec, what I like to do is speak to the hiring manager and get a full understanding of what he wants from the candidate, as I believe it's not always just about skill set, but you also have to include culture fit. There's certain things you can train people, but personality isn't one of them. So we work closely with the client to find out what they need for somebody to come in, hit the ground running from day one, but also for a longer term placement, not a stopgap. And the reason I believe candidates enjoy working with us at ATA is that we actually listen to them. So I get a full understanding of a candidate before I go through a job spec with him. And the reason for that is subconsciously, if I go through a job spec, he'll answer the questions to the job spec. What I like to do is go through the last 10 years of my candidate's CV, get a full understanding of what his strengths, weaknesses and motivations are, understanding of their sort of salary, the shifts, the travel they've been doing, and that way I can go out and match perfectly what they're looking for, which creates a long-term placement. If somebody tells me it's imperative to become a team leader in a year, and my client tells me that's not possible, then it's something I will look at, because I know in a year the candidate may look to leave, but my aim is always longer-term placements, which means in the long term, clients come back to me, and if anything happens, the candidates always come back to me as well.